Art is not always seen as a subject that requires research, but just like any other skill, you learn from the outside world. Style is an incredibly difficult thing to develop when you are a young artist. Therefore, research is so important for artists, especially when they are first starting out. As a teacher, it's not my job to try and control what your style will become, but looking at professionals and branching out to find what art you connect with most is a good way to curate a style that will serve your artistic vision best. I will provide some resources for where to find illustrations. Ideally, you will find 3 inspiration images from at least 2 artists, and from each image you will borrow a thematic element, a style element, and a color palette. Let's take these 3 images. From this image by Mary Jane Begin, I might borrow a theme of a tea party. From this image by Akua Holmes, I'll borrow a stylistic element, for instance, the collage aesthetic. And from this image by William Wallace Denslow, I'll borrow the simple color palette. I'm giving the class a week so that you can take your time. It's good to allow your subconscious time to absorb the information, so doing all the research at once won't give you that chance. If you are doing a character sheet, try incorporating thematic and stylistic elements from your respective images in the character design.